Here's a drop top that just came in, available to purchase now. 1971 Ford LTD Convertible. This particular vehicle came to us out of a collection where some of the larger bodied convertibles we've gotten in recently have come from. This particular car was originally built in the Louisville, Kentucky plant. Spent, I believe, a majority of its life, believe it or not, in North Dakota. Seems to be a pretty solid car. Has had a repaint along the way. The red paint does show nicely, has a nice luster to it. Not perfect by any means. You'll find some little fish eyes and some minor blemishes and what have you in it, but overall it's kind of a nice driver quality paint job. This particular car will be powered by a 351 underneath the hood. You can kind of decode the VIN and come up with those things. Like I said, nice running driver, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. You can check out the underside of this car and the interior pics and under the hood. Check out the engine bay. Check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you have any questions about this car, like to inquire about it, come up on the hood. As you can see, it's got a nice luster to it, a nice reflection. But you will find, if I can find something to stand out like right there, you're going to have some little imperfections. Again, it's a little tough to get them to stand out because it is a nice shiny paint job though. Again, I'd call it a nice driver quality car. Played around with it a little bit here before starting the video. Radio works, wipers work. That 351's paired with an automatic transmission, horseshoe shifter, center console, center bucket seats. So you can see the seat, the vinyl and the cloth is given away a little bit there, but appears to be original interior. Has had one repaint, like I said. Also believed to be original miles in the car. When I get around to the driver's side, we're going to fire it up again, check that out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can help you out with the transportation to where you're located at, if you'd like to pick this convertible up and get it shipped to you. Would have been the year that they went with the rectangular tail lights and kind of away from that jet engine style round tail lights. Would have been one of the major changes in 71. There's a little bit of pitting and what have you back here in the tail light bezels also. Kind of give you a heads up on that. Again, driver quality car. Sure runs smooth though, and like I said, everything seems to work. Interior does have a power top. Again, call us, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this, answer any questions you may have. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. White top is in nice shape. Check out the back seat from this side. Does not appear it's been ridden in a whole lot back there. Driver's seat is fared a little bit better than the passengers. No rips on the driver's side. Door cards all appear to be stock. Check out the rest of the interior. Like I said, let's go ahead and fire this up. Nice, easy starting car. Sounds good, runs good. As you can see, fire rate's up. Fire is right up. Stock steering wheel, stock controls. I mentioned earlier the wipers do work. Playing around with those before. On both speeds also. High and low. FYI. Radio did also work.
We talked about.
Have that on. Center console, that horseshoe shifter. Like I said, stock dash. Slip around to the back, what you'd expect out of a stock 71, 351. No crazy exhaust, rumble, or anything like that. Again, power top. Top is in nice shape. Let's slip around up to the front. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay. See how that looks. Let's check that over. Give me a second, I'll pause this video. Alright, there we go. The hood pop. Check out the engine bay. See it very smooth running 351 underneath there. Power steering, power brake car. Just what you expect out of a stock engine compartment. So there you have it. Like I said, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueplasticcars.com. 1971 Ford LTD Convertible.